morning from the beautiful UNESCO World Heritage City of Luang Prabang. Today I'm going to show you the most beautiful waterfalls here in Luang Prabang, the Kuang Falls. So I'm currently meeting up with my friends from the Gibbon Experience, Lucas, Sam and Sarah. So I'm in a bit of a hurry because I'm too late. So see you there. Hi guys! We have arrived at Kuang Falls after 30 minutes driving. I'm with my friends from the Gibbon Experience.
Hi.
Sam,
Hi.
Sarah and Lucas.
Bonjour.
And I forgot your name.
That's Chris.
Yeah.
Random Dutch girl.
Random Dutch girl. And now we're walking here to the first big pond. There they are. Oh shit, it's so slippery. Damn. The color is insane. These are like the lower levels of the falls, and it's already so beautiful. The color is insane. So right now we're heading
This one.
we're heading to a secret spot. No, it's not that
No,
one.
it's not that one.
It's another one. We're entering where we are not allowed to enter. Pam pam pam.
It's not a waterfall, it's a water stairs. Guys, water stairs.
No entry. Let's go. So pretty much you just pass this barrier and then you get to the secret pool. I just walked into the spider net. So we made it to the secret place. And it's right next to the big waterfall. You just have to pass the signs there. Not a big thing. And now we're gonna swim in this one. Oh!
Bye.